These are the last 6 reviews that I've done on my Buildapreneur YouTube channel for specific products. We're going to flash through them all. You can see ClickFunnels review right here, ranking first. Active Campaign review, ranking first below the ads right here. ClickMagick review, ranking first below the ad. OFA review, ranking first, no ads. Thinkific review, ranking first, no ads. And just 3 weeks ago, I put out this Authority Hacker review, and I'm ranking second 3 weeks later. So this video, we're going to explain the formula that I'm using to do this on every single video. All right, we are back, and these are the 5 things that I am doing on my YouTube videos so that those results that I showed you a little earlier are happening on every single YouTube review that I put out. It's probably worth noting that the very last one is what I consider the most beneficial to my videos. Sorry guys, it's a YouTube thing. So the first thing that I'm doing that is helping me to excel is my thumbnails. So there's 3 things that I do with my thumbnails that kind of take them above and beyond what other reviewers are doing with their thumbnails. The first thing I do is I try to make my thumbnails stand out. That means that I sit down and I actually sit down and search the term that I'm trying to rank for and see what the top 3 thumbnails look like. And then I try to do something that makes mine stand out from theirs. So if they're using similar colors, I'm going to use different colors. If they're using similar, people on the same side of the screen, I'm going to put myself in the middle or on the other side of the screen. Something to make myself stand out. Maybe something like putting my thumbnail upside down or something crazy like that. The second thing is the text on my thumbnail. I don't just say product review, ClickFunnels review or software review. I try to do something that kind of adds to that because the title is already going to say that. We don't need to say that in the thumbnail. The real goal here is to try to get them a little bit curious so they'll then look down to your title and then read the review title right there. And the third thing I do is I try to showcase the product. So I try to catch their eye by showing something they recognize and they associate with the product. For example, I might use the brand colors of the product. I might use the logo of the product. I might use the founders of the product. Something that they'll see and instantly recognize and associate with that product that I'm reviewing. The second one is actually one of the most important ones as well, and that is the title. So just like with our thumbnail, we don't want to just say product review, watch our product review, because that's what everyone else is doing. And we need to do something where we're able to catch their attention a little more and get them a little bit more curious. Now, it's important to note, this is YouTube. It is also a search engine, and that's where most of this traffic is going to come from. So we need to find a way to still use the keywords that we want to rank for while tying in this curiosity factor. A good example could be Active Campaign review, the truth about Active Campaign, or what you didn't know about Active Campaign, or did Active Campaign really just add this feature? Right now, I'm making this kind of curiosity almost like this Active Campaign, the only place you can do this one weird trick, right? Funny things like that, and I'm making it this curiosity factor. I'm basically writing my titles like these guys. So be original, but still include your keywords. I'm gonna throw in a quick interjection here. You're a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. We both know that YouTube loves those thumbs up, it loves those comments, and it really loves those subscriptions. So give me one of those 3 right now if you've learned anything. The third thing I'm doing on all of these reviews is a script. So you can see here kind of a sample script. In fact, this is the script for this very movie that we're filming. And this is what I build all ahead of time so that I know exactly what I'm talking about. This keeps me from rambling and jabbering about random things and blah, 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 and going on and keeping talking about more and more things and just keeping going. You see how annoying that was? So I use a fast intro and then I follow this outline, and that enables me to be able to keep people watching my video. Now, as part of this outline, I actually tried to tell people in the video, in the very beginning, what I'm going to be covering. That way, especially if there's something that they really want to know about, it can be to the very end of the video, and I can keep people watching a good amount of my video, which YouTube loves to rank videos that keep people watching. So you take the most important things that they probably care about the most, and then you put that near the end. I know that's annoying. I know you're watching it in this very video and probably annoyed at it, but that's how YouTube works. Number 4 is actually cutting the fluff. So you don't want to talk about anything that people don't want to hear about. And in the spirit of cutting the fluff, we're just going to move on to step 5 right now. Now, the 5th one is kind of funny. This is something that I noticed after doing tons and tons of reviews and seeing kind of watch time graphs like this one and really hating those giant cliffs that you see in those graphs. If you're a YouTuber, you've seen those cliffs, you hate them, they're painful to watch. What those cliffs are is essentially somebody clicking play on your video and then backing out of it within the first 10 to 15 seconds. Obviously not a good sign for YouTube. So what I've done to eliminate that is I actually share my screen, and I do it from the very beginning. So if I'm sharing my screen from the very beginning, as soon as they click play, they see, hey, this is the thing that I'm trying to get a review about and learn more about. Clearly, he's going to be showing it. He's going to be demonstrating it. I'm going to get an on-screen review and demo of what's going on. And just showing it and kind of letting them see that that's going to happen significantly helps that cliff be eliminated. In fact, this is one of those videos that I'm talking about where I do that. Little side note, that first chart really actually hurts because what it means is somebody clicked play on my video and pretty much as soon as they saw my face, they turned tail and ran. Maybe it's the beard. So in the spirit of cutting the fluff, we're gonna cut the video right here. Remember, you've got to watch the next video, and if you want to do well as an affiliate marketer, you want to click subscribe.